All right, guys, what is going on? Super exciting day for myself. I got Babe holding the camera. This is gonna be the first look of the prototype for the 38 RV Hunter. That is a crazy thing to say, but this is gonna be a 4-slide fifth wheel with a patio. Now, this is not in full production yet. I do not have the specifications or even the completely final product here, but this is gonna be pretty darn close. And today we are asking for your feedback on this because, you know, what you put in here might make changes for the final version that's going to be coming out here pretty soon at dealership nationwide. Super darn excited for this. I mean, come on over here, babe. I want you to show them this right here. I've been making videos for the last 6 years, and to have my name on an RV right there is pretty darn incredible. 38 RV Hunter. Absolutely insane. But we made this one for us. So this model might not be for everybody, but I wanted something that could really work for just about anybody. So a couple could camp in this, a family could camp in this, and we're gonna show you a little bit about why this thing makes it special. But I'm gonna take the camera and let Babe kind of lead the way here. If you wanna do a little wave, how excited are you?
Oh, I'm so excited, I'm stoked.
So how hard has it been over the last year to keep this thing quiet?
I mean, I'm sitting on the biggest secret.
Yeah, for friends, from family, arguably the greatest moment of my career, you know, it's coming to fruition, and obviously a lot of long nights where you kind of took over for us, and I want to thank you.
Oh, thank you, babe.
I love you.
I love you.
Now this patio, this right here is all you.
Oh, yes, this was my one must-have. I'm just so excited. I love being outside and just imagining sitting out here, having my coffee in the mornings. Yes. Yes, this is what I've been dreaming about for the past year.
I can't wait to get the final because we already got one kind of idea. We're working with engineering to hopefully change one thing out here. We'll see if it goes through. I'll tell you, Jared down here is like a wizard. He's the plant manager, and it's we'll see if he pulls it off. But on the sun deck, think about a TV that's inside and outside, and that's enough for today. But like I said, again, it's not going to be a full tour or the normal tour. It's kind of why we picked what, I guess you could say. So a little background on us. You want to tell them about our family?
We have 4 kids, ages ranging from 17 all the way down to 4. So.
Yeah. So camping, you don't know if they're going to come every weekend, if they're not going to come. Is there going to be sports? Is the 4-year-old sleeping with us? Does the 14-year-old have 8 kids? So we wanted a hodgepodge that really works. And I think that starts off with the fact that you have, you know, our bedroom up here, but a full bath here. And then you're going to have, you know, the half bath there as well. So having an area for the kids or the guests to be able to use the restroom, that's not right in our business, was pretty darn clutch. We also wanted to have some extra seating. So this island is, you know, a little bit longer than most of the industry. So we got 4 big chairs right now.
Yeah.
Might go with 6 chairs, 4 chairs. We're kind of debating it. Maybe, what do you guys think? Do you guys like the bigger chairs, or do you think you'd go with something smaller? Would you lengthen up that island? You know, right now it's a good 4-seater with, I think, possibilities for a 5 to 6. Yeah. You know, if they're pretty much flat bellies all the way around. But I mean, we found the new game golf. If you guys haven't heard of that game, pretty fun little game. But I don't even know where to go. This is so surreal. It's crazy.
You know, it's so exciting.
So what do you think? Storage for the kiddos?
Oh,
you want to show them the pantry? Because I think there's
pantry space, especially when you're feeding teenager.
Oh yeah.
Food is essential, so.
Which is why we also rocked a bigger refrigerator as well with the 2 pull-out freezer drawers. And the oven, we're not huge oven cookers, but we wanted something big enough to where if she's making Marry Me chicken, you know, we could fit a pot in there and maybe open that thing up. So as you can see, I mean, nothing really crazy, but you can fit a skillet in there, but residential oven for us, you know, wasn't necessary. Why don't we show them this? Because this is the coolest part, you know, of it, is just this back room. I mean, one, you want to pull this little
divider?
Yeah, so we put a divider into here, and it kind of breaks off some of the room. I think that'll be good. Okay. You can see it closes off. So this is where I'm saying a couples coach is now kind of turning into a family coach. So you get some privacy at night, but I was thinking one of my favorite floor plans is a rear entertainment. So I wanted a big old TV, but when the kids are all sleeping, I wanted to have a TV into here. Maybe if me and Honey Buns wake up a little bit early, we're having a coffee, maybe we want to catch, like, you know, a little morning show, a place for the kids to get some work done, or me to do a little bit of editing was also important. But yes. I mean, pull out sofa. So you're going to be able to sleep, you know, 1 to 2 there. another pull-out sofa, so another 1 to 2 there. And then you have this bunk bed, which we're thinking is going to have a 300-pound weight capacity, but this is going to be changing just a hair. I think the window's going to be lowered just a little bit. You want to push that up real quick? Or here, do you want to take this?
Sure.
So it's actually pretty cool. So it's on this little kind of mechanic thing over on the side, and you can just take it like this, and now it just kind of snaps right in. First one will be easier. But, you know, just like that. So, I mean, what do you think? You know, if you don't have the kids, if you're just the couple, you're sitting down, I don't think you're going to miss the head height. I mean, I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds, getting up and down. You can see it's not somewhere where I'm going to be, you know, smoking my noggin or anything like that. But it's also, like I said, going to be a pull-out sofa. Fireplace was a must for you.
Absolutely. I love my fireplaces, the ambiance, and the heat, because I run a little cold, so I like to have the extra heat. But I love how they went the long version and just takes up the majority of the space.
Well, then also, too, what they did, which was pretty cool, is they put in, you know, kind of the two-tone of the walls. So they added in that as well. So it's not only the fireplace, but a little extra kind of touches that I know that you like. And then what do you think about all the accent lighting, too? I think they really crushed it.
Yeah. Love the lighting, big windows, girly. I just think all the natural lighting and then the additional just kind of gives it that ambiance, that extra glow to it.
Well, what do you think? Maybe show them the bathroom and the bedroom?
Yeah.
Oh, the desk right here, though.
Oh.
So this is something that Jared did. He was able to sneak in. You know, coming back to the fact that we have the kids' storage back here. If you do have the kids, it's going to be pretty darn limited. But we snuck in, you know, a little bit up here, a little bit higher than normal. But you'll have, you know, different shelves and whatnot. So I figured if it's a couple, you got plenty of outlets. A place, you know, if you got a crystal creep for a wife, she can put her crystals and her plants there. But also, again, coming back to the fact that we have the kids, you know, have hanging room here up above your desk, you know, plenty of pull-out drawers. And this thing goes back pretty darn deep. So even back there, you can kind of rat pack away a couple things if you would like. But, yeah, the sun deck.
Oh, yes.
Let's go open that up real quick. Now, the cool thing about this sun deck, and babe, I don't even know if you know this quite yet, but the controls for it are going to be right here. So this is actually going to be a powered balcony. So it'll come up and down just on a little pulley system right there.
Oh, nice. That makes it easy for me.
And I like what they did with the size there.
Yeah.
So this is one of the changes that we're crossing our fingers on. And hopefully one of many, because you guys will chime in and make this one of the better videos of the year, is this right here. They're trying to see if they can work a little box. So this TV will be able to swivel both inside, you know, and outside. But if not, either way, you got the cable connections, just kind of an idea that we're working with. Got the awning above, another awning here, and then you do have prep for a 4-camera safety system in case babe is driving. She'll be able to see all the way around her. We'll all be white knuckling if you're driving this thing, baby.
I'm a better driver than you.
Well, she did drive here, but I was a good partner. I stayed up.
You slept the whole time.
Yeah. So right here, I had to have my friendly octopus guys, because you guys know, you know, hang some keys on me. Had to keep those little guys. Control panel, nothing too much, but again, we're looking for feedback. If you hate the control panel, tell us why. If you love it, tell us why. We're just looking for a hello, really. Look at that.
Yes. I love the light. I love the head height. I love the seating and shelving.
Oh, yeah.
And one thing I love too is the way they did the storage in here.
Pretty darn cool, the pull-out linen closet.
Yes.
It's nice. Got the porcelain foot flush throne, because you know your boy's not sitting on that plastic one. And then...
and in here,
oh.
the LED mirror, also with storage behind it.
Snazzy. Show the people what they want, baby, in the mirror. Boom, baby! Bowling guns! So into here, you have the TV that's in the kitchen, TV that's in the living room. I know a lot of people, when they go out, TV's not super important, but we are a family that at the end of the night, we like to watch like a movie or anything like that. During the daytime, probably go try to have a little bit of trouble. But at night, we're going to sit around and watch a movie or do something together, if not just hanging out by the fire. But we also have a projector screen here inside the bedroom. So that was a pretty cool option, because obviously when you can, you want to make sure that you have a good view for us.
Exactly.
I mean, look at that. It's not quite the view that we would like for first trip, which is hopefully in about 2 months. And by the way, while we're doing that too, maybe drop some ideas for videos that me and Babe can do to add to the channel. Do a little lifestyle content. What do you think?
Yes, absolutely.
All right. And then, you know, obviously you got the front closet here with the washer and dryer, the accent lighting, and some hanging room. Anything else you want to go over?
Yeah. I like how the top of this slides out. I can put my jewelry in there, or little trinkets, little smaller items that I don't want to roll around. Yeah.
Coyote bones.
My knickknacks.
I guess let's just give them one more little peek here, and then can't wait for the full tour. But pretty darn excited. So what we are thinking, let's look at that. Look at this. Come here. Look at the camera real quick. That's our RV.
Yes.
That has the 38RVHUNTER name on it. But, you know, again, I just wanted to get on here too, just to kind of end the video. I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you to my wife for everything she's put up with over the years. This is obviously a very cool family moment for us. But we'll be camping in this thing quite a bit, making a lot of videos. So whether it's part reviews, maybe some, you know, how to burn some food in the oven. Just having a lot of fun. But again, just like I said, just wanted to say thank you. And can't wait to show you this full tour here in about a month when they start going into production. I think March is the goal for now. But I'll keep you guys updated along the way as specs and all that start to come out. Have a great day. See ya.